Greetings and welcome to Voltivista Electricians and Electricals. Right now you are with Kiwanuka Dan, and I'm taking you through a wiring diagram for two lamps connected in parallel using two-gang one-way switch. Today you learn how to wire your two bulbs in parallel connection using a two-gang and one-way switch. Here is a wiring diagram. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share this video to everyone. First of all, we will have our junction box here. We will have our junction box. Our junction box will be here, and our first lamp will be here. Our first lamp will be here. Then our second lamp will be here. Our second lamp will be here. Then here, my friend, we also have our molded box to which our switches will be placed. Our switches will be placed in this molded box. Remember, our switches will have the common. And this is the common, my friend. This is the common, and the L1. And this gang will have common and L1. Now, my friend, what are we going to do next? We are going now to connect the wires. This is a wire. This is a wire. This is a wire from the second lamp. This is a wire from the second lamp. That is a wire from the junction box to the molded box, to which we will connect our switches. Our switches will be here. Remember, we are connecting it to parallel. In parallel. They will be in parallel, these bulbs. Now, our supply will be this side. We will have our supply here. Our supply will be here. My friend, this is the supply. This is the supply. These are our lamps. This is our lamp. And this is our junction box. This is our switch. This is our two-gang one-way switch. Two-gang one-way switch. Remember to follow, subscribe up to the end of this video. We have a lamp. There are two lamps. Supply will come from here, and our two-gang one-way switch will be here. Remember, a wire has the neutral and has the live plus the what? The earth, my friend. This is the earth wire, the earth wire, that is the earth wire, the earth wire, the earth wire. Remember, that is the earth wire. Now, my friend, we are going to connect them simultaneously such that we receive light. Now, remember that the live wire from the supply will transfer current. Current will be transferred from the live wire, from the live wire up to the switch, up to the switches. Will be transferred from the live wire. Remember, we are connecting, my friend, from the live wire up to the switch. And remember, our switch is a 2-gang one-way switch. Therefore, our live wire will be transferred from the supply to the live wire of the what? Of the switch. Live wire of the switch. And remember, we have 2 live wires from the what? From the switch. This is our live wire from the first one way, and the live wire from the another 1 gang. Therefore, current will have to flow. And this live wire will be connected to the common of the what? Of the switch. Will be connected to the common of the switch. Remember, when we are in DC, the live wire is termed to as the red wire. This is the red wire. When we are connecting DC, is the red wire. Then, after connecting here, we have connected the live wire, and here we have the neutral wire from the supply. Will be connected, my friend, to the neutral wire of the what? Neutral wire of the lamps or bulbs. Remember, here is the live wire, neutral wire from the supply to the neutral wire of the bulb, of the lamp or bulb. And here is our another neutral wire of the lamp. Neutral wire of the lamp. Therefore, my friend, we are remaining with one live wire from the lamp and another live wire from another lamp. Therefore, these wires will be connected to the neutral wire from the what? From the switch. Remember, when we are in DC, this is termed as black. This is termed as black. Black. Therefore, the live wire is red, and this is red. Therefore, a black from the switch will be connected to the red from the what? From the lamp. We are connecting it, my friend. Remember to follow, subscribe, and share this video such that it is important to everyone who is an electrician. Another, we are remaining with the black or the neutral wire from the lamp to from the switch to the lamp, the second lamp. You are connecting it, my friend. Remember, here at the switch we haven't connected the neutral wire and the live wire. The neutral wire, as we said, it will be connected to the common, my friend. Then the neutral wire will be connected to the L1, my friend. It will be connected to the L1. Remember, we are remaining with this one. This wire comes from the live wire of the supply to the common, my friend, and the remaining wire to the L1. Now, my friend, current comes from the live wire to the switch, and as you switch on the switch, current will have to flow to the what, my friend? To the lamp, my friend. Will have to flow to the lamp, passing via the lamp, and will have to be retarded back to the supply over the neutral wire. Will have to be retarded back or decelerated back to the what? To the supply. Remember, like that. Now, my friend, my top boss, that is the wiring diagram of wiring two lamps connected in parallel using a two-gang one-way switch. Remember to subscribe, follow, and share this video. Thank you.